everyone, I'm Aiden Durham with 180 Law Co. in Denver, Colorado, and you're watching All Up in Your Business. In this episode of All Up in Your Business, we're going to talk about what the difference is between trademarks and service marks. You've most likely seen that little TM symbol on logos or business names out and about. You've probably also seen SM on some of those things. TM means trademark. SM means service mark. So what's the difference? Technically, there's no real difference. They're both trademarks. Specifically, a service mark applies to trademarks that are used for services versus a trademark, which is a trademark used for products. Service marks are always trademarks. You can use the words interchangeably. If you say trademark, it's not just assumed that you're selling a product. It can include services too. But if you say service mark, that implies you're selling a service. So if you're trying to figure out which symbol to use on your logo or your business name, if you're not sure if you should use the TM or SM, you can always just default to using the TM symbol. If you're not sure if you should call it a service mark, just call it a trademark. It's all the same thing. That's all for this episode. If you're interested in registering a trademark for your business, check out the link in the description to learn more about Brand Bombshell, which is my all-inclusive trademark registration package to take your brand from blah to bomb. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more of the fun of All Up in Your Business. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm Aiden Durham, and I'll see you next time.